don't know how well audio will record, but I think the harbour call was Aberdeen Diamond, and that's about the fourth time, just missed it on the video, fourth time they've sounded the foghorn. And on the radio they were reporting visibility at quarter of a mile, not more than quarter of a mile coming in. Now, despite well over half a century on the river, not normally out when the ship's coming in fog-bound, well, I'd say the visibility has improved quite a bit. So that was about 10 minutes ago, and they were reporting
calling Aberdeen Coast Guard. This is Aberdeen Coast Guard, over.
Just somebody calling Aberdeen Coast Guard for a radio check.
Aberdeen Coast Guard, your wing talk readable, over.
Definitely much better visibility than an hour ago. Despite the slightly chilly with overcast, much warmer north end of town, a lot of folks out, a lot of cyclists, folks with prams. And the TAF about an hour ago at Dundee Airport was basically reporting this sort of vertical visibility, highly restricted all day long. Now you can see the drift there, that's the tide, it's only about half an hour to an hour after high tide, I don't remember the exact time. Anyway,